Views. In this section, we are going to see about views and subviews. Let's start by creating a new single view application with Storyboard in Xcode. Open the Storyboard file, and we can see a view object, which is the main view of the class. This view is referred to as self-while coding. On the right-hand side section of the Xcode window, we can see Attributes Inspector at the 4th tab. We can see the different properties of the view, which we have selected in the storyboard here. The properties of a UI view include mode, tag, background, etc. The alpha property value ranges from 0 to 1.0, means no visibility, and the visibility of the view progresses towards 1. We can also change the background color of the view using the background property. Let's change the background to green color. Now if we run the project, we can see the view with a green background. Now if we check the hidden property of the view and run the project, we cannot see any view since it is hidden. We can set the size and frame for the view using the Size Inspector section of the Xcode. Add another view as subview to the main view by dragging the view from the Objects section of the project window. We can position the view by dragging from inside the view. We can also resize the view by dragging from the edge of the view. Let's change the background of the new view added to red. Add an image view as subview to the main view by dragging and dropping the image view object to the view in the storyboard. Add an image to the project to use in the project. Now set the image property of the image view added to the image that we have added on the project. Change the mode of the image view to fit the image inside the image view. We can now make this image view as subview of the UI view we added to the main view by dragging and dropping the image view object inside that view. Now if we run the application, we can see the main view with a subview with red background and an image view inside. We can observe that part of the image view is displayed outside the inside view. This is because the Clip Subviews property of the view was not enabled. Now let's enable the Clip Subviews property of the view and run the project again. We can see only the portion of the image view which is inside the view. Now we can see about auto resizing of views. This is done in the Size Inspector section of Xcode. We can lock and unlock the left, right, top, or bottom margins of the screen in the Auto Sizing section. Now if we run the application, we can see that locked margins retain its value even if we rotate the simulator, and unlocked margins are modified based on the frame of the view.